If you're like most people, you've experienced hair growing out of your fingers. Now, thanks to a revolutionary new drug called Hylamartatone, you won't have to put up with it any longer. I used to wear gloves all the time, but not anymore. Thanks, Hylamartatone. Growing up, I was afraid to be around others. I didn't think they would accept me. My doctor said Hylamartatone.
Hylamartatone is not for everyone. If you start bleeding uncontrollably, stop usage immediately and call your doctor. Common side effects are death, wanting to kill yourself and others, uncontrollable urges to eat furniture, inability to breathe, blindness, heart failure. Many patients experience brain aneurysms and significant memory loss. Rotting of flesh and teeth is common. If you experience gut-wrenching stomach aches for more than 2 days, discontinue use and seek medical attention. Some people that survived this medication lost feeling everywhere, were unable to function without help from others, and grew more hair on their hands. Ask your doctor if Hylamartatone is right for you.